What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a what I eat in a day video. I know I posted a weigh-in video yesterday where I lost 0.7 this week. Funny because I got on the scale and I'm down even more. So I'm super excited. This is going to be another amazing week. And I am on my way to work at the gas station right now. It is a gorgeous day here in New Jersey. It's expected to be in the high 70s. So enjoying the sunshine, getting in the vitamin D, and enjoying wearing spring clothes, and just having a great day. All right, so let's get started on the what I eat in a day, and I'll start you off with this morning's meal. Yum-o! This is one Thomas's Light English Muffin for 100 calories. I have 2 slices of Canadian bacon. I have 2 eggs and about a tablespoon of sugar-free ketchup divided in half. This is the perfect way to start off the day, and you will see on the next screen here, or the little pop-up of the points values. What a low and delicious point value breakfast. And I also had a cup of coffee and a glass of water. All right, guys, it's a couple of hours later and on the road. So here's my lunch today. It's a Core Power strawberry banana shake. Love this one, guys. I love this one. It's so good. I prefer it over the vanilla and the chocolate. This thing has 26 grams of protein. It's made with filtered, let me tell you what it's made of. Filtered low-fat grade A milk. It's got banana puree in it. It has allulose, sucralose at the bottom of the list. So yes, there is a little bit of sucralose in here, but guess what? I love it. I'm gonna drink it. Then I want to show you, if I didn't already, I have a shake in the office. When I get back over there, it is a lemon tart flavor, and oh my god, it's delicious. It's by Premier Protein, so hopefully I'll get to show you that later, but this is gonna be lunch. Heading back over to the office now. I will see you at the next snack mealtime.
What are your normal hours?
All right, so home from work. You saw our little antics in the office. We had so much fun today. Since I really didn't get many calories or use that many points, I am having a nice big bowl of lettuce, some baby cucumbers, and I have 4 eggs here. I don't know if I'm eating all of this. My eyes sometimes are bigger than my stomach, but I'm hungry, so I'm going to attempt it. This entire thing, believe it or not, is 0 points other than the salad dressing that I'm going to use, the G. Hughes sugar-free balsamic vinaigrette, which is my favorite. So I will put the points value on the screen. Nellie's playing with one of her toys, so I apologize for all that noise. But anyway, this whole big bowl, look at that! So good, so healthy. It's a volume. And so it will absolutely keep me full with very low calories. So gonna have that, and then I'll see you later because I am gonna have a dessert, and I'm excited to show you what that is. Decided to add 2 tablespoons of this I was gonna say corn chili. This is found at Trader Joe's. I love it, and it makes an amazing topper to a salad. Just gives it a little bit of kick if you like, you know, that spice, which I do. So, all right, now I'm going to put the tally on the side here. You'll see how many points I'm having for dinner, and I'm going to go enjoy it, and I'll see you at snack time. All right, guys, it's snack time. Weight Watchers. Paisley, what's up, RJ? Weight Watchers giant fudge bar. I opened up the bottom because I am one-handed holding my phone here, but here's what it looks like. Look at the size of this pop. If you've never had this, I suggest you go get it. It's 4 points. All right, guys, let's review the day. So I have 5 points left, which I normally don't do. I usually have all of my points, but this day I'm just not that hungry, and I did have a lot of voluminous foods. So you can see here the Canadian bacon. I did have 3 slices. I ate one as I was filming, so you only saw 2 on my English muffin, but that's okay. I did track it. Also in the snack section, you'll see I had a peppermint candy at work, 1 little sucking candy for a point. And I also had an Oikos yogurt that I forgot to film. So all in all, what a great day. Look at the calories and the macros, the carbs, the protein was on point. Like everything was really good. So I'm happy. The only thing I didn't track was water, and I didn't have as much as I would have liked to, but I still was drinking water throughout the day. Yeah, so that was the day, guys. Thanks for coming along with me, and I'll see you in the next video.